Hi everyone, I'm Vijay. I'm a trainer in PySpiders. So we have a placed candidate here. So can you share your experience now?
I'm Akshita. I have joined PySpiders in the month of July, and it has been like 2 months, and I have enrolled for Python full stack development. Here I got very much help from trainers. Like if I have any doubts, I have approached the trainers and they have helped me a lot. And in the past 2 months, I have attended like mock tests and mock interviews and bootcamp. Bootcamp helped me a lot by speaking in front of 3 to 4 members. We have a group like 3 to 4 members, and it helped me and it helped me to overcome the stage fear and it helped me to improve communication skills. And these are the skills that I have acquired at PySpiders, and it helped me to crack the interview as well.
So which company you got placed? Congratulations, all the best for that.
Thank you.